You want to eat, don't you?
Yeah, Babbit. I want to eat. I love to eat.
Well, then go up and get the bird out of that nest, and we'll eat.
But I don't want to hurt no bird. I like birds. I go hungry first.
What's the matter, Freddy Cat? This is only a tiny little bird.
You mean a poor little dincy-wincy, itsy-bitsy defenseless bird?
Yes.
Let me at him! Let me at him! I'll get him, Babbit! Gangway, I'll mortalize him! Let me at him!
Take it easy,
I'll
take it easy.
show him! Where's he get that stuff? Don't hold me back! I'll get him! I'll show him!
Come on, quit your fooling. Get up that ladder.
Push me, Abbott! Don't push me!
Come on.
I'm scared to go up high. I get hydrophobia. No, I don't want to go. What? Don't push me. Oh, don't. You can't make me do it. You can't make me do it. He did it.
Come on, stupid. Get the bird.
Oh.
Give me the bird. Give me the bird.
If the Hayes office would only let me, I'd give him the bird, all right. Get away up here. Say, Babbit, are you sure this thing is gonna be okay?
Of course, of course. Everything's under control.
Don't push me down in a box, Babbit. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, Babbit! Oh, Babbit! Babbit!
What's the matter now?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Well, I'll let you out then.
I saw a putty cat. I did. I saw a putty cat. Oh, the poor putty cat. He crushed his witty head.
Gee, Babbit, I'm just no good.
Oh, the brakes were against you.
I'm a flapperoo. I can't even get the boy.
Don't worry. You'll get it all right.
You mean I'll get it in the end?
Yeah, and you'll get a big bang out of it, too.
Well, that sure takes a load off of my mind. Hey, cut it out! Cut it out, pigeon! Don't do that!
This witty pitty went to market.
Babbit!
This witty pitty stayed home.
Babbit!
This witty pitty had roast beef.
Babbit!
Well, what do you know? I ran out of pitties. Here, putty cat.
I'll save you. Where are you? Speak to me. Speak to me. Come on, stop your clowning. What's the matter with you? Aren't you ashamed?
I don't know.
Why do you do these things?
I'm a bad pussycat. Oh, I just can't seem to get the boy. Ain't no use.
Don't worry.
I can't do it.
This'll get you up there. Contact.
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 Contact. Hey, Babbit!
flying around my widow head.
Is there an insurance salesman in the house?
Airway, lights out, total blackout. Wake it up, Putty Tat, wake it up. Airway, lights out, total blackout.
Hey, now's our chance. Come on.